Welcome to Company Changes, your trusted partner for ASIC compliance and corporate advisory services. In this video, we'll explore how to correctly issue shares and lodge ASIC Form 484. Issuing new shares changes a company's structure and triggers strict legal obligations under the Corporations Act 2001. Key sections include Section 124. Companies can issue and cancel shares. Section 254A. Powers extend to bonus, preference, and partly paid shares. Section 254D. Preemptive rights for existing shareholders unless displaced. Section 254X. ASIC must be notified of a share issue within 28 days. Failure to comply risks penalties or invalid share issues. Directors must act in good faith, avoid conflicts, and never misuse company opportunities. Issuing shares at undervalue or without approval can breach fiduciary duties. Once shares are validly issued, ASIC must be notified using Form 484. This includes issue date, share class, number of shares, paid and unpaid amounts. Form 484 records legal changes. It doesn't create them. Errors often include late lodgements, incorrect or duplicate forms, missing details, ignoring preemptive rights, failing to update internal registers. These mistakes create legal and financial risks. In Seabay Kitchen, 2019, a director unlawfully lodged Form 484 to remove another shareholder. The court ruled ASIC lodgements don't create share transfers. They only record lawful actions. Invalid filings were removed. In CellOS Software 2019, a CEO profited from a private share market instead of issuing new shares for capital raising. The court found he breached his fiduciary duties. To ensure compliance, review your constitution and agreements. Document resolutions, update registers immediately. Lodge Form 484 accurately and on time. Use Form 106 or 492 for corrections. Seek expert advice for complex deals. Contact Company Changes today for seamless ASIC compliance and expert company secretarial service.